Hello my friends and welcome. Andrew Newman here with another video to show you how you can make some extra money working with your computer out of your home using eBay. Now I'm here over on overstock.com and I want to show you a neat trick that's going to help you cut your listing time in half, because any of you who've watched my videos in the past know that I show you how to do this process through several different avenues, and the process is relatively simple to do, but getting your images and all that stuff to the right size and listing quickly can be a challenge for a lot of people. So what I want to do is I want to share this item with you. We're going to list this Simple Living Espresso's Country Cottage Kitchen Cart. I'm going to sell this for $399. We're going to use overstock.com as our supplier. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take this URL and I'm going to use a software platform that I have. And if you would like to get it, you can just click on the link right below this video and you'll be able to pick this up as well. And it's going to save you a lot of time and headache in the future. So I'm just going to copy the URL here. You can see it here on eBay selling for 500, 432, and on down. There's a lot of different listings here. So what we're going to do is we're going to list this for $399. So I'm going to go into my program, and then this is our e-commerce platform, and I'm going to select Overstock from my list. I'm going to take the URL here and just simply paste that into the little bar here. The listing style, this is going to give me the ability to make some really awesome looking listings, and I'll show you that here in a second. We're going to do the frame style just for purposes of this video, and then I get to select from a couple of templates. Now obviously I can get other templates from the drop down menu if I choose. I'm going to use this one. This is one that I've been using consistently just for a little consistency within my eBay store itself. So I'm going to take this listing right, or this template right here, and I'm going to go ahead and list the item. So what's going to do here is the software program is actually going to go in, it's going to pull out the images, it's going to pull out the descriptions and things of that nature for me. The only thing I'm going to have to do is maximize my title, do a little bit of polishing on the listing, if you will. So here I've got it, my listing. Here's basically the listing that it's pulled out for me, and it's just step by step. So I'm going to go ahead and include all of the images. I want to keep those. So we'll do that on each of those, and we'll use this one as the gallery image. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I want to go ahead and edit my title. So I'm going to take out that little slash. I don't want that. So we're going to remove the Simple Living. I don't think anybody's really going to search for that. So then we'll go in and see the natural cart, cottage kitchen cart, island, counter space. Okay, I'm just going to use that just kind of for demonstration. Now, what we have here in the keyword, this is going to give us the option of selecting a category. So what I want to do is I want to go with kitchen cart. And I spelled kitchen wrong because, well, I can't spell. So we're going to go here. We're going to show the suggestions. Now the software is going to go in and tell me which categories would be best suited for my item. I'm just going to go ahead and grab that top one. And then we'll go down. So my payment type is going to be PayPal. My profit goal on this item, I want to make 20% on my item. That means I'd have to sell the item for $482.63. I'm going to be receiving 10% cash back. So now the item is going to be for sale for $444.20. I'm going to bring that back. I want to hit right around $399. So I get 10% cash back because of some cash back options I have with Overstock. I'm going to take this back to 15% profit margin. That looks like $424. If we go down to 10%, go down to 10% profit margin, we're at $405. If I can take an 8%, there's $398. Let's squeeze out another 9%. Okay, so $401.92. We'll do 11.5% cash back because my credit card actually gives me some cash back as well. And we'll move that back up to 10%. We're at $400 even. I think I can live with that. So we're going to go into our shipping process here. 0 on the shipping. Return policies, we're going to go with a detailed return policy. Dispatch time is actually going to be 2 days because on eBay, obviously, we have a few of the top seller rating is based off your dispatch time. So I want to make sure within 2 days, and generally Overstock will ship the item out within 2 business days. So our product information, this is good till it's canceled. Our return policy is 14 days as normal. Refill my quantity. So when we sell one, the software is automatically going to refill the quantity that we have back to, in this case, 3. I'm going to make it 2 just to put a little more scarcity on there. So this stuff is all automatically filled in from the listing. So now we have a description here. As you can see, it's already filled in. What I want to do is let's see, item is not shipped to Hawaii. Okay, so take the item number out of there. Anything that can be used in the listing to basically just do a Google search and find it. So here's that. I got our dimensions all up here. Here's some features. Keyword density, if you want to search, if you want to do some keyword density research, you're welcome to do that as well. So this here is my return policy. It's already created for me by the software, which is fantastic. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next step. So this is asking for if there are any variations, meaning if there's an espresso one, maybe there could be like a different color. Obviously, there aren't any in variation. Now, if we want to go here to our sources, what we can do is we can go down all these different sources here on this add source list, just because there might be another source online where you can find this item a little bit less expensive that you can ship out to your customer. So with management here, this is going to be auto posted to eBay, and then if the item ends, we can auto relist this item. So in this case, it's not going to be needed because we're doing a good till canceled a listing, and it's automatically going to boost the sales record up to 2 items when one is sold. So we don't need to worry about relisting the item. So the next step is going to be submission of the listings. We're going to go ahead and do that. The software is working now, so it's just going to take a couple of seconds here, and it's going to add this listing to my eBay account. Now, once this is all done, I can go in and I can take a look at the listing right here. So there's a couple of things here. One is the funds from the sale will be unavailable, show pending. And this is strictly because my eBay account is a new eBay account. And then the shipping cost information is incomplete, meaning I just simply have to go into the listing and edit it myself. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna click on this. This is the actual URL to the listing on eBay. And you'll be able to see here that the listing is right there. Looks pretty good. There's 2 available. And when you scroll down, you have a really nice looking listing, which is fantastic. Now, obviously, ladies and gentlemen, this took roughly 8 to 9 minutes to go through this video and explain this to you. But if you were to go through and just list an item, this process can take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes per item. So if you're listing 2 items, 3 items per day, like we teach in our courses, what you're going to end up with is you're going to end up at the end of a year with about 1,000 items listed on eBay, provided obviously your account limits allow you to reach those numbers. And that's going to give you the ability to really go into the Christmas shopping season with a large amount of opportunity for people to purchase your product. So anyways, I hope these videos are helping you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to ask them right below. Just leave your comments, and I do reply to those. So if you have any questions that you want, or if anything that you'd like to share, please feel free to do so, and we will move forward from there. Talk soon. You guys have yourselves a great day.